Come on, baby, can you feel the gravitation? When you look my way like a new star, shooting through my constellation, I know we're gonna see our worlds collide.
Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you never miss an upload. And also welcome back returning viewers to Frederica Nation. Join the family if you have not did so yet. But today I'm going to show you all how I organize my room, my beauty room. So I'm going to take you all through different parts of the room. It's not a very big room, but I'm going to show you all how I do it. So this is my closet. And I got a few things hanging up in here. I need to reorganize some stuff and actually clean it up a little bit because it's off the chain. But I got all my purses up here on the top shelf. As you see, I don't really have much room, so I need a bigger room, y'all. I need a bigger spot, period. So that'll help out a whole lot. And on my door here, if you all could see, I have a shoe rack here on the door, and I got some of my shoes here hanging up on the back of my door. Just some of my favorite tees that I like to have hanging up on the shoe rack, and some of my hats are hanging up right here. And then, of course, I'm going to show you all my nail polish rack right here. I got over 300 bottles of nail polish. I got this rack from the thrift store. Believe it or not, it literally did come from the thrift store, y'all. Okay, like I went there looking for something else and came across it and said, so I guess it's not really a nail polish rack, but that's what I made it out of. This I just recently purchased because I needed this garment rack because, like I said, I'm running out of room in my closet, and I'm running out of room in this little bitty room. I need something bigger. Like, this is not getting it. But these are some of my favorite tees that I have hanging up. This is a new piece that I haven't worn yet. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it. I need to go ahead and wear it. I got this from a secondhand store as well. It's really cute. You know, just some of the pieces that I have. As y'all can tell, I love fur. I'm a fur girl. Yeah, that's just me. I'm loving it. And actually, believe it or not, I have not worn this but one time. One time I've worn this. And I might be busting this out. Bringing this out pretty soon. And on the other side is just some jackets. But I'm running out of room. And I need a bigger space. Like, this is just ridiculous. Now we're gonna look over here. Over here is where I got all my makeup at. As you can see, I created my own slave station. And what do I mean when I say I created it? Well, I don't have no bukus of money to be buying, you know, a slave station and or buying a makeup station. So I created my own. I went to Walmart, got a foldable table, and used that, threw a little tablecloth on top of it, and I got all my lotions right here from Bath and Body Works, and all my sprays and perfumes right here, and more lotions. And then over there I got a lot of makeup, my mirror. All of this was under $100. Like, I got most of this stuff for under $100. Now right here I'm going to show you all how I store my necklaces. Okay, I use thumbtacks, the clear thumbtacks. Okay, let me turn it around just a little bit. I use clear thumbtacks, and I hang my necklaces up so that way, instead of them being all bundled up and tangled up and things, I can actually just look up there and see which ones I want to wear for the day and what matches my outfit and go on about my business. Got this lamp from Lowe's a little while ago. Container sets I got from Walmart, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Now I'm going to show you all where I film at. Okay, there's my computer. Here's my computer, and I create most of this on my own, you all. And also I made this on my own. And Dollar Tree, I got this little set from the Dollar Tree, literally. Now let's go over here to this. Okay, I made these. And yeah, this is basically a tour of my beauty room. So if you have any ideas, if you like what you see, and mind you, I am a Barbie on a budget, honey. I can't afford all of that good stuff. Like I'm very creative and I can make stuff on my own with my own hands and things like that. But yeah, this is how far I've come so far. But if you like it, thumbs up. Hit down in the comment section below any other suggestions, or if you want me to do a part 2 of this, I can get more in depth about it with a part 2 video. But thank you so much for tuning in. But this is literally how I organize my room. This is it. I don't have much space, but I'm making it work out, right? So thank y'all so much. Thumbs up, hit subscribe if you have not, and I'll see y'all some other time. Thank you.